Yeah, about 3-4 hours of work. Got the quarter panels, inner fender wells, front housing removed, and next I'll blast all the gunk off of the frame and clean it up and paint it. That way I don't have to do all this again. The fenders aren't too terrible as shape, but still have to do a little fat work. The holes from the battery. Yeah, I have to figure out something with that. I have to tack weld a little piece of angle iron or something in there. I'll figure it out. Overall, for 45 years old, not too terribly bad. Besides the grill disintegrating, but oh well. A lot of work left.